Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I was planting my Bonfire Patio peach tree. Let's see, she needs to be kept moist the first few years. The average mature size is 5 by 5. Cold hardiness -10 to -20. Fertilize annually. It bloomed in the spring when I first got it. It's pretty flowers it gets on there. I put some French marigolds in here, and I'll show you the video when I first put my Methley plum tree in. I explained all about the French marigolds, or any marigolds. They help with all the bugs and insects. And the grub worms and all that. It's the same thing I did with my Methley plum tree. About 3 years ago I planted that one, and I'll link that video below. It's real pretty when the flowers blossom, and next spring you'll see them. I'll show it to you. This is a patio peach tree, like a dwarf size patio peach. And the peaches on there, a lot of these small ones, some of them aren't edible, and I don't believe these are. There is one growing there. And I put edging all around the outside, help keep the dirt in, and it looks nice with the edging around it, and all the black marigold dirt. All right, this is Susie. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.